There's my doomzdna turtle. I'm going to be fishing with that today, as well as some other lures I'm going to rig up. I'm going to use a jig head with some other soft plastics. I'll have a gulp minnow I'm going to try. I'm at Elm Creek Lake. It is about 85 out, the temperature. This high is supposed to be around 91. Elm Creek Lake looks pretty nice out today. It's a pretty beautiful lake. I've been out here before. I've caught largemouth, I've caught bluegill, I've caught pumpkin seed, I caught catfish, and I caught some rock bass. So I'm pretty excited to see how I do out here today. It's pretty hot, but I'm excited to get out there and fish and catch some fish. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoy the video, and hope you guys get out there and fish and enjoy yourself. Well, let's get fishing. I'll show you how I'm going to rig up the turtle. Same way as usual. This hook tangled. It's got a little tangled. It really got tangled. Okay. One more hopefully should get me loose. There we go. Okay. I'm going to hook it through the head like I did last time in last video. So hopefully we get some bass and catch some rock bass and catch a lot of fish today. If not, it's all about going out there and having fun. Hope you guys are fellow fishermen are enjoying yourself as well when you go out fishing. It's all about having fun. If you catch some, you do. If not, just getting out and enjoying nature, and just, it's a hobby. It's all about having fun. So that's the main thing to keep in mind. I hope you guys enjoy my video, so hopefully I get some fish for you today. Let's get fishing. I'm gonna hook it through the head again, like so. Come out through the top part of the head. You can see. That's how I rigged it. I have it through the top part, so let me see how we do today. The water's a little choppy, but that's from all the boats coming and going through. Let's see how we do today. It's a little rocky, so I'm very careful on mindful where I step. If I get a bass for you guys or something. If not, I'm just glad to be out and enjoying the peaceful scenery. Like I said, I'm going to try various lures today if this one doesn't catch any fish. I had a lot of luck with night crawlers out here, but I didn't bring them today. I was going to still stick with my lure fishing and see how I do today. You got various people out there on boats and stuff. The water is a little choppy, but I'm gonna give this a couple casts to see how I do. It's a beautiful lake. I really enjoy fishing out here. So the first time I was out here, I caught a ton of fish using the night crawler. Fishing with my line right now. Yeah, it's giving me problems. Okay, there it goes. There we go. I'll try a couple more casts and I'll switch it up. Usually you can tell if the lure is giving you results, if you get any hits, or if you're getting any bites. If not, it's time to switch it up. I think next I'm going to use my Berkley gulp minnow. I had a lot of luck with that as well. So thought I had something, but I think it's just some weeds.